If I disappear right after this shoot, you'll know right where to find me. Right here at the Tiki Bar. I'm Ralph Nudi with the Nudi Home Team at Epic Realty, and I want to show you the Sundial Resort in Sanibel Island, which is one of the most magical places you can imagine. This beautiful resort has it all, and we have a unit for sale in here, J104, that you can buy for well under $1 million, where you can have your own slice of paradise anytime you want, and also have the income when you're not using it. So let's check out the entire resort and this unit that we have for sale. Sundial Beach Resort and Spa is Sanibel Island's premier beachfront getaway, offering miles of sandy shoreline, 5 sparkling pools, pickleball and tennis courts, a full-service spa, fitness center, and waterfront dining. It's the perfect mix of luxury, leisure, and island fun. Now imagine this place fully furnished. Everything in this unit is completely brand new. Brand new appliances, brand new everything. Step right out to the beach from this master bedroom. Now, let's decorate it the way you like. If I disappear right after this shoot, you'll know right where to find me. Right here at the Tiki Bar. Come on in and let me show you what this place is all about. At Sundial Beach Resort and Spa, every appetite comes with a view. Start your day at K. Casperson's Day Spa, Salon, and Boutique. Then indulge in dining that's as unforgettable as the scenery. Captain's Catch, voted best waterfront dining in Southwest Florida, serves fresh seafood and coastal favorites with sweeping Gulf views, indoors or al fresco at the water's edge. For something different, experience Shima Japanese Steakhouse with live hibachi tables and an all-new sushi bar overlooking the beach and pools. Kick back at Turtle's Tiki Bar for island favorites and frosty cocktails, or grab something quick from Beach Bites, featuring tacos, pizza, and ice cream for the whole family. At Sundial, great food and amazing views go hand in hand, and the best part is you never have to leave the resort.